Ads everywhere in your games, apps, and even while reading the news. Super annoying, right? So hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today in this video we are going to show you 3 quick and simple ways to block all those annoying ads from your Android. So let's get started. Let's start with step number 1, that is the private DNS trick. Go to settings, click on connection and sharing, and then click on private DNS. Tap on specify DNS and type dns.adguard.com and then hit save. Just like that, ads in most of the apps and browsers disappear. Then come the step number 2, that is to use adblocker apps. Do you want more control? Then best is to download AdGuard or Blokada from their official website. These apps run quietly in the background and block all the ads from apps, games, and many more. You can even pick which apps show ad and which don't. Step number 3 is to switch to a better browser. If you are a person who browses a lot, it is advisable to use Brave or Firefox with uBlock Origin. They remove all the ads and even the long unskippable ones. Still seeing ads? You might have some hidden adware. Go to settings, click on apps, and then click on recently installed. Look for anything weird you don't remember installing and remove it. Try these tricks and let me know in the comment section that which trick worked best for you. And if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.